Hello everyone, my name is Yuxin Chen and this is my book review 1 for the Applied Artificial Intelligence chapter 8. And this chapter is mainly talk about how you will apply your implementation for a specific AI application. And here are several points that are talking about in the books. And the first thing you need to do is to rank your business goals. So common goals included increasing revenues, cutting costs, and entering new business lines. Artificial intelligence can advance many of these goals, but implementation difficulty and impact will vary. So how you will make a business goals? Here are several frameworks we'll talk in the next slides. The first framework you need to do is perform opportunity analysis. And I think the most important step in this framework is gap analysis. Gap analysis is used to assess where your business is versus where you would like it to be. The methodology relies on benchmarking, critical analysis, and action planning. So the second framework is the AI strategy framework. How do you decide which problems to tackle first with AI? Our exclusive AI strategy framework provides a common set of criteria for evaluating each opportunity. And next, you need to know your data and analytics. Like you need to know what happened to data. At this level, organizations want to use descriptive and exploratory statistics to answer fundamental business questions about what has happened in the past. This requires you to have collected the right kind of data. And next, we coming about the technical prerequisite. Is this process that can be solved using machine learning? Is it suitable for machine learning? And is the data available? Are there sufficient volume for relevant data associated with the process from which an algorithm can learn? And after we confirm our technology prerequisite, that we need to decide whether we just build a project for ourselves or we buy a project from the outsources. And after we decide we buy or build, that we need to calculate the ROI and allocate budget. An alternative measure may be examine how AI technology unlocks business value. Typical metrics center around the tangibles such as increased revenue and decreased cost, as well as intangibles such as culture, brand value, and work-life balance. And the last thing we need to do is we need to pick the right true north matrix. How can you tell if your AI strategy is creating long-term and sustainable value? Answering this question can be the most difficult and the most impactful step for your machine learning process. That's all. Thank you.